Alright guys, what I'm going to show you here is how to fix a leaky keg. I've changed the O-ring, yet still we have a little bit of leakage here and gas is coming out through there. Doing some pressure, you can see where the bubbles are. So you do to see that, get some star sand, and when you put pressure in it, I'm using a foot pump by the way, you can see where the air is leaking. Right here on the side. So what we're going to do is take a punch. This is a 3/16 punch, and we're just gonna hit around the area where the air is escaping. We're not gonna go too hard, just enough to bend it and put it back into place. So you get the punch, find a little spot. We have a little spot here. Put some air in it, and as you can see, no more air escaping. Try again. And just like that, we fix the problem. There you go. A punch, you go around the area until you see the air start coming out. There you go.